So guys, let's just get into it now. So you go to your YouTube. Yeah. So this is my YouTube, and this is what we're trying to achieve. Can you see I have like vlog session, makeup session, fashion and clothing session. So how did I achieve this? The first thing you will need to do is to literally create your playlist and organize your playlist, session your all your videos, so that when somebody comes to your YouTube page, it will be easy for them to see the different things that you do. Because if they are all mixed together, honestly speaking, they will be so confused. But when they're neatly laid out the way it is, it's easy for them to see. So the first thing you need to do is create. How do you create your playlist? For some people that don't know how to create playlists, I'll just quickly talk through it quickly so that I can tell you how you organize your wall. So you go to customize channel. I'll put that down a bit. So you go to your customized channel. So that will come like that. And at the top here, I'm just being careful because I don't want to show too many things. So at the top here, you see playlist, isn't it? You see your playlist here. So go to playlist. And at the top of that here, you could create a new playlist. Add different videos to this playlist. But if you have playlist already, so all you need to do at that point is, and they all in one folder, in one folder. So, and you want to separate them, create another playlist and move things about. So move content up and down your playlist, which I often do. All you need to do is go to view playlist. Don't just click on here, otherwise they will start playing everything. So you go to the bottom here, you see view playlist. Click on view playlist, for instance, and edit playlist. So when you add a new video to your playlist, playlist, I think by default it goes to the bottom, like you have number 1, number 2, the new video will be number 3. But if you want your new video to be number 1, all you need to do, just come to this point, then you see more, click on more, then it will say move up bottom. I often do this. I put my new video, I push it up, and I use this 2 button to reorganize my playlist. So after you've done your playlist, you're happy with your playlist, then you come off here. Sorry guys, I'll just move here a bit. Yeah, you come off this page. One more. Come off this playlist back to this point again. So we stay on customized channel. So now you're happy with your playlist. All you need to do, scroll down, and you see a point where they said add a session. So for you to just click on add a session, then it will bring to content and layout like that. So click on content. When you click on content, scroll up, and you see single content. Click on single content. So at this point, the layout, you could choose horizontal or vertical layout. So I just went for horizontal. So here it said choose a playlist. Choose a playlist. So how do you want to do it? Is it through your URL or my playlist? I just went for my playlist because I've already done that. So from here, you just go find a playlist. So in my case, I already have all this playlist. So I will see if I will be able to choose another one. I will choose this one, for example. So see, automatically it came. Then all you need to do is press done. So I'm not going to press done. Once you press done, it will be at the bottom row. So I will show you the next thing that you're gonna do. So if then you press done, but I'm just going to do cancel because I already have it on my wall. So all you need to do at that point, if you, then you could choose which of your playlists should be like number one, number two. At this point, this vlog one is number one because I just did this video. They are my new video and I want people to see it quickly and support it. So when I created this playlist and I added the video before, initially they were at the bottom. It was at the bottom of my session. So you just need to click on this two button here to do, for example, if I want to push this video down, it goes down, and I'll do again, it goes down, and to do again and to bring it up again, you just click, it will go up, and I will click again, it will go up. Then this one is number one video, is my number one roll that is showing, my number one playlist videos that is showing. Then the makeup one, maybe if I have another video in makeup session and I want people to really support it, I could just easily press it, then it will be my number one as well. Like I said on with your playlist as well, when you add a video to your playlist, do not forget to move up or down or middle. Play with those two buttons on your playlist when you go to edit, because at that point your new video will be number one. It will be showing here. It wouldn't be lost somewhere. If you see what I mean, it wouldn't be lost because this I've done it to this video of my hair, to this playlist of my hair. As you can see, I've done it. So this is the newest video I have on that playlist, on my makeup playlist. This is the newish video, and this is the second newish before this now. I've organized it accordingly. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. If this video was helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, like, and everything. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't often do this kind of video, but I thought I've had a lot of requests on how did you organize it. Then I thought, you know what, I don't want to keep it to myself, but to do this video so that other people can improve their YouTube page as well. So anyway, guys, until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.